fuck with me. Shoot a nigga, jab a nigga, coward, try your luck with me. I be in the trap with the gat like it's stuck to me. A lot of you niggas would be dead if it was up to me. Word, get a half, try bring an ounce back. Same day, same lay, block jump, bounce back. Bungee, only thing I'm thinking about is money. Cause I remember nights that I was starving, wasn't funny. Ends wetting me, niggas wasn't loyal. Bitch was out here creeping, every other weekend. That's why I only spend a minute sleeping. As soon as you turn your back, niggas at you without a reason. Whack you, leave you citizens, the statue is murder season. Hoodie down in the winter, hunting dinner with them heathens. Starving, like I ain't even close to being on yet. Paint a perfect picture on the track and I ain't drawn yet. Dream it and achieve it, I believe it, I'm pursuing that. Niggas falsifying they lines, ain't nothing true in that. I give them real life, been dead, been doing that. Chuck T's, my Levi's, my wardrobe, ain't new to that. Shout out to them strips that I be clocking on. Blood, sweat, and tears with my real niggas rocking on. Broad day homicide, no stocking on. Niggas popping, don't even know who they chopping on. We ain't living, you getting it, then they plotting on you. Heavy shit feel like a car when they drop it on you. Might start to feel like a star when all them eyes is on you. Might start to feel like you Meech when all them pies is on you. Just another day, another dollar. Niggas leaving their kids like they could buy another father. Like they don't know they can't get that time back. Only live once, then you die, can't rewind back. Staring at my watch as the time lapse. Quote the only hope us niggas got and can't find that. Niggas gotta be kidding. Busy riding that wave, you niggas is out of rhythm. Like a nigga fresh out of prison. You either with me or against me, the decision. But either way, you gotta deal with it. Hater, spectator, I'm on the field with it. Still higher than the skybox. Smoking the memory of niggas, I lost the 9 shots. My niggas that's in the pine box. Crack back, I get you hit from the blind side. Try to be patient, but I'm a time bomb. Close to the detonation, ain't even prime time. Feeling like I'm Dion in 99. Rookie of the year in 06, I'm Brian. Scoring on them hoes like a mellow. Puffing on that la-la, chopping cigarello. Couple shooters with me, you kill you for they say hello. Turn the nigga brains into jello. Come on. They try to play me like a cello. I'm too hard. Ryan Artest with the elbow. Flagrant. You ain't talking money, you can save it. Niggas hate me, them bitches say I'm they favorite. Chucks every day and I ain't Taylor. Smoking on chocolate, not paper. Living trap now, die later. Say I be on that 2-6 like all day come through, bitch. You see me, I'm out here. No Fridays, no roof Chris. Trap hard, you act hard. That gag hard plus 2, bitch. No rap though, that ladder curve. It look like it's 2 clips. I'm too sick. Psycho, I'm ruthless. Try me, I show you don't need rap to prove it. I'm too sick, psych what I'm ruthless. Try me, I show you don't need rap to prove it. Come on, straight like that. Come see me, nigga, I'm on 2 eyes if you ain't up. Free for promo. AB1.5 on the way too, nigga. Straight like that. I'm on one. Watch your fucking body. Streets ain't safe no more. Leave it to beast, nigga. Straight like that. Yeah, free promo. The mean boy, ain't no whole bunch of rats. Yeah, go to church, nigga. Cash out, straight like that. Wake up in the morning, chase the paper like I gotta get it. 2012, I'm slinging gauges like my father did it. In 88, strap on me, who got a problem with it? It's speak now, will forever hold your silence. Nigga, one hand on my Nina, cause I know niggas shicey. Curly top my fade, fuck them waves, bitch, I'm icy. Bird, I'm Gucci, still riding around in that hoopty. My grandma had no rims, they know him, bitch, excuse me. Gang nigga, I'm sick and tired of all these lame niggas. Soldier boy, Lil B, who shit I blame, nigga. I'm still me though, pushing that cocaine, nigga. Like Rick Pito, same block and gang, nigga. Big nuts, they hang, nigga. Big block, go bang, nigga. Anytime on any block, I might just be insane, nigga. Still trap on that same block with that cane rockin' them same niggas. Do this shit for my family, we got eat, fuck bang, nigga. I hear you yapping, nigga. That's funny talk. Bitch, I let my pistol bite, I let my money buck. Let my bitches bag, they yo love, it's somersault. When it's dirty like I'm trying to take the summer off. I hear you yapping, nigga. That's funny talk. Bitch, I let my pistol bite, I let my money buck. I let my bitches bag, they yo love, it's somersault. When it's dirty like I'm trying to take the summer off. Do the winter dirty, hoodie and my Nicky on. Bundle on me, bustin' traps, no kill strip, we on. They screaming fuck the law, and fuck these niggas too. Niggas talking like they ride, fuck these niggas do. They cooperators, niggas is running tell. Martin Lawrence, no talking to him, just gunning shells. Mix that yo love with soda, watch that onion melt. Bag it up and I hit that block, my Levi sag and gunning belt.
I'm about to teach you a lesson in choosing opponents more wisely. This body craves combat against the strong.
We have a
The desire appears to be irresistible.
And I just see this thing kind of like way back.
Something good. Well, what do you think of this color? Is it not beautiful? Interesting. I'll send you to the next world with this ultra big bang. Kamehameha!
He does, man.
Oh no! Folks, should I maybe get the heck out of here?
Yeah, this shit too, yeah, he does. Actually didn't. That's a good way to go. Bye, Goku God.
I was sure you'd be better than that.
I'm back on my videos.